What's up, guys? Intelitech Mobile here. Oops. And we're unboxing a phone for the first time in a while. So, it is 2026, and I bought a Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now, I already own the standard Galaxy Note 10, but the Note 10 Plus is far more popular, and I decided that if I'm going to review it again, I need one that actually works, because I do have one, but it's in pretty bad shape. And it's locked to Sprint, so I can't actually use it. It's pretty much just junk. But this one is a blue one, and I got this one for about $170, I believe, which for a Note 10 Plus is still, unfortunately, considered a good deal, which is crazy because these things are pretty old at this point, but they're so popular. They still hold up really well, and for those that want the best LTE Galaxy Note, well, this is the way to go. Of course, you could also just use a newer one and enable LTE mode, but this is a bit fancier. So we're going to unbox this. Now I'm going to have to cut the shipping label off screen because, personal info, that type of thing. So I'm going to aggressively cut this because my knife is not very sharp. And yeah. So now we have to cut this without cutting myself. And this case is awful. It's sticky. It's missing a piece. So we're just gonna get rid of that. Okay. Honestly, it's in better shape than the ones that I paid way more money for. It does have some extensive scratching on the Type-C port, which is unfortunate because if this was my phone, that wouldn't have happened. So that already is kind of a deal breaker for me because I'm very picky when it comes to condition. Let's see if this has the issue that so many of these have where the back is peeling off. Maybe not. Maybe the back is actually still attached, so that's good. Boot this up. Is it dead? Appears to be dead. Does it have the blue S Pen? Yes, it does. Very nice. Apparently it's dead. It does come with a SIM card tool, so that's kind of nice. Oddly professional for a just basic seller. Like, this was not, one of these phone sellers that sell, because I've bought so many of these and they ended up being counterfeits, or like where the device itself wasn't a counterfeit but the screen was counterfeit. So this one thankfully doesn't appear to be. It could be a lot worse. But yeah, this is the what is this called? Aura Blue. Yeah, that's what it is. Aura Blue. See, I'm recording this on my Note 20 Ultra. But yeah, this appears to be dead, so I'm going to have to plug this in real quick. I almost wonder if this is one of those things where the guy bought a new phone to upgrade, and he just reused the packaging from the new phone that he bought and just stuffed his old phone in. And then I guess he didn't need the SIM card tool, so he threw that in too, which honestly, is pretty good. I kind of like that. So yeah, very nice. Plus, I might sell a phone at some point, so that'll be some good packaging for that. So we're gonna plug this in, and we're gonna see if this powers up. So now I gotta find a power brick, which thankfully I just happen to have a random power brick sitting here. So we're gonna plug this guy in and see if it works. All right, let's see if this begins to charge. So far, so good. It's probably going to be dead. I did find a UAG case that I bought many years ago in anticipation of getting a Note 10 Plus. Sometimes I hoard cases for future Note phones that I add to the collection. And I do have some other cases as well. So this one's just like the one that's on my Note 20 Ultra, only it's purple instead of clear. It's just one of the very basic gel cases that has the reinforced corners, but I actually really like these. And also this very pretty sparkly looking one, which is a little bent and warped, but when it's on the phone it shouldn't matter too much. So I do have some nice cases for this. And yeah. Hey, 0%. Now I don't know if this is going to boot up like this, because I don't actually know if this is fast charging or not. It should be, because this is a fast charging brick, even though it's Apple, an Apple branded one. But yeah, so we're going to let this charge up for a minute or two, and then we're going to attempt to power this on and hope and pray that there's no burn-in and no issues with this, because I would like to keep this. I don't want to keep having to return these phones. I'm so tired of buying phones and them being not what they're advertised and then having to return them. Trust me, I don't like returning things. I feel like a dick for returning anything, even if it does have a genuine problem. So hopefully, okay, we got 1%. Can we get some juice? Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Okay, looks good. So far, so good. Again, that Aura blue, very pretty. I love blue. Such a great color. What is this? Xfinity Mobile? Okay, cool. As long as it's unlocked, I don't care. Please don't be locked to Xfinity. What even is Xfinity? Is that Verizon? I don't know. Like, what MVNO is it? Good. We got a legitimate screen. No burn-in. Okay, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. Yeah, awesome. So let's just go past all this. No SIM card detected. What is this? To be able to make and receive phone calls and messages, please install an Xfinity mobile SIM card before continuing. For information about requesting or installing a SIM card, Xfinity Mobile. Okay, I don't have Xfinity Mobile. You'll be able to make... Okay. So you're still gonna let me... Okay, can I skip? Skip anyways. Don't copy. We'll just do all this later. I want to just get into the phone for now. But I will have to check this later. Okay. Make sure the fingerprints... Well, no, we'll do that later, actually. Skip anyways. Because I just want to... No, ew. I don't use Peacock. I don't have Xfinity. Just go away. PG Mobile? What is that? Go away. I don't want this. Skip. Again, I just want to make sure I can set it up without an account first. Make sure it's not locked to any sort of Google account. Okay, that's good so far. So... What version is this? Phone number unknown, of course. Software information. Okay, Android 12. So it is the current software. S Pen disconnected. This better not be a fake S Pen. This has a problem with these Note 10 Pluses. So hopefully it'll connect, because that's the pen that it came with, so it better connect. Because if that sensor's bad, that's not good, because I would like all the features of this phone to work. I have a feeling this is going to be locked to Xfinity Mobile, which is going to be just my damn luck. But if they offer me a partial refund, then I may keep it, because I could take the parts. And, yeah, granted, I'd have 2 Note 10 Pluses now that I can't use, but I could always get, you know, a black one or a gold or a glow one and convert it into a blue one with these parts, potentially, but I'd like to not have to do that. So, not looking good so far. So, yeah, because it's not wanting to connect to the S Pen. Okay, let's unplug this, and I want to see what this beautiful blue color oh no, did it not connect? Oh, that's great. Okay, great. So, looking good so far. We were so promising. So, this is the Aura Blue with the UAG case. And let's see it with this purple, even though it's, you know, got some... Oh, very nice. Look at that. Pretty. Try to wipe this down. make it look all shiny. Of course, these always show a million scratches and fingerprints. But yeah, actually, yeah, of course it makes it look more purpley with the purple case on it. What a surprise. Not surprising at all. This one's kind of sticky, but I've also had this case for a while and never actually put it on the phone, so it could be from storage. Very nice. I mean, with this case on, it feels just like my Note 20 Ultra, just a little bit lighter and thinner. So, there's that. And then this interesting looking one. Nice and thin, probably not a protective one at all. But, as long as I don't drop it on the screen, it'll be fine. Still be good enough for scratches. That looks nice. Probably going to block the camera a little bit, but again, oh, those buttons aren't good. But again, it's not the phone's fault, it's the case. Yeah, this case isn't very good at all. But again, just a case, who cares? So yeah, I'm going to have to do some more investigative work on this thing, but it is very pretty. I love this Aura Blue. I really hope I can activate this on Mint, because if I can't, well, I can't really do a video on it properly and review it, so it might have to go back, which is unfortunate, because I would like to not have to return this, considering the price I got it for. I want a blue Note 10 Plus for the Note collection, and yeah, that's just that. So I'm going to mess with this a little bit more. There will be an attempt at a review on this, even if I can't, use service. But yeah, anyways, IntelliTech Mobile signing out, and hopefully I can get this activated and do a proper review on the Note 10 Plus. In addition to every other Note. I want to try to review every Note this year, which is not looking good considering the year's already half over. But yeah, so anyways, IntelliTech Studios signing out. Have a good one. Peace.